Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. It's another Wednesday in our lives. Another Wednesday. Wednesday is Communicator Day, Communication Day, and the day of the fourth day of the week, because you know Sunday's the first day. Traditionally. So it's all about communication. Today, make your communication clear and strong. Make sure that you are understood with what you're saying. Make sure you can communicate with others. Make sure they can communicate with you. Because if there's a communication breakdown, back to my Led Zeppelin days. If there's a communication breakdown, it's always the same, or it's never the same. It will be especially stressful on a Wednesday to have a communication breakdown. So communicate clearly today, and also, what else is communication about? Come on, I hear you out there. What else is communication about? That's right. You win the prize. Listening. Listening to the force. Make sure you're heard today, and make sure you listen to others without an agenda. Without having that reply ready to go in your head. Just listen openly. Listen as an observer. That's what Wednesday is all about too. The Communicator is about observing. Called Jnana Yoga. Jnana Yoga. Observe what the person is saying to you as a witness. Just let it all come in like that. Because you are the silent witness. Especially if you're a spiritual communicator. That's your thing. That's your job. That's your challenge. To know, to remember that you are the silent witness. You are the observer. You are the one who is never bothered by any of these outside things. You're just watching, kind of half interested. Like, oh, isn't that interesting what I'm doing now? Look how upset I am now. Or listen to what this other person is saying now. So anyway, I hope your day is filled with good communication and good listening.